Okay, I'm just doing a quick update of how my hair has grown a little bit. I have conditioner in my hair right now, so don't be alarmed. Okay, I have cholesterol deep conditioner with a little bit of mayonnaise and olive oil mixed in with it to balance protein. I have a bald spot right here, so trying to get that to grow out. So this is a quick update to show you the progress of my hair and how it's coming along, my curl pattern and whatnot. You know. Alright guys, and I know I promised to do more or whatever about my total all around body image, but I just pressed for time. That's why my hair, I'm just really getting back into paying attention to my hair because I've really been abandoning it for a while. It has grown a little bit. I did chop it off once it grew after that first video, which was posted a year ago, and then I started growing it back in April of 2010. It is now, what is it? When did August 2010, and I'm starting to grow it back. I've been growing it back since August 29th, 2010, and this is how far I got since then. I knew that first video was May, whatever, but okay. My curls. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I will be doing more videos. Whole face shots. I don't have any makeup on right now, so whatever. Okay, comment.